to entertain you. Not. Hi, today's talk is about 2 tips that will show you attraction marketing and how to get you more engagement. Because we all know more engagement, more eyes means more money. Maybe not right this second, but more money. How y'all doing today? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of day it is for you, welcome. My name is Karen Thomas, and if you've never met me before, I am a social media marketing mindset coach, and I actually help network marketers, entrepreneurs, and business owners actually find and attract leads through social media. Now, today's topic, of course, is 2 tips that is attraction marketing to get more engagement. Because we all know that people come to Facebook to be either educated or to be entertained. They don't come here to buy anything, guys. So all your pictures of product, they're just going to scroll right by it because they're looking for that story that's going to catch their eye. So now, the 2 tips is, of course, about attraction marketing. Is about being able to stop the scroll. What's going to stop the scroll? What's going to get them to say, oh, wow, what's that? And maybe read what you actually posted or actually look or listen to your video. But what is going to stop the scroll? That is what these 2 tips are about. Stopping the scroll on Facebook, Instagram, wherever it is that people are, whatever format you're on, you want to stop the scroll. Because that's the only way people are going to get to know you and say, oh, wow, that's pretty interesting, or I like the way she talks, or, she seems really put together. People are going to be attracted by what you present to them. So attraction marketing, of course, everybody calls it a, slang. Everybody, I won't say it's slang, but, what is attraction marketing? Well, attraction marketing is about presenting something that people want to either be like, they want to say, wow, I'd like to go there. I'd like to have that. Wow, I'd like to experience that. That's what attraction marketing is. And we're getting ready to go into a weekend. Now, granted, it's the winter and some places have snow. We don't have snow here. Thank God. Can't stand snow. Well, I like to play in it, but I'll go travel to play in the snow. That way I don't have to drive and live in the snow. But the thing about it is what you want to present is for people that like being out sledding or being out out in the cold and doing cold activities. That would be a cool thing that if you're going to go out for a walk, take your camera, take a picture of, maybe the winter time. Of course, it doesn't have beautiful trees, but winter has its own beauty. Winter shows that you're at least getting outside, you're having exercise, that you're actually breathing fresh air. So attraction marketing is showing, hey, I have time to go out in the fresh air. Now, if you're not out in the snow, if you're in the south and you got a little bit better weather and better things, then everybody loves to see flowers and trees and oceans. They love to see those kind of things. And if you can provide that in either your background or that you got to go out and enjoy it yourself or with family, or just take a stroll, Sometimes I live in a tourist town. I live at the beach. I don't go there very often, but, I've picked up my camera. And just for attraction marketing photos, I've gone out by the beach and took little selfies of me with the beach in the background. Because it's here. It's free. I can just drive down there and get it. One of my best posts now, for anybody that's really known me for any length of time and has followed me, knows that I'm working from home because I'm helping my mother. She's 88. And one of my best posts, she got gift cards for her birthday to go to Olive Garden. And now, nobody likes to go eat at a restaurant by themselves. So she said, hey, let's go use my gift card. So we went and used her gift card. And of course, we're in COVID, so we wore our masks in. But I asked because I brought my camera and I knew I was going to be trying to take some attraction marketing photos. So I asked for a window seat so that I could have some of the, natural light come in. This is a photo that I posted of me and my mom. And because I have this, I can use this photo with any other kind of caption. But the one I did with this for right now was me and Mom escaped for a meal. We went out to dinner. And that's what people want to see, is people enjoying something. There's just not a lot of joy in a lot of the things that we're able to have right now. And some of us live in better towns than others. But whatever town or whatever you have that is there, take advantage of it. Lord, if I lived in the country, I'd be going up and showing myself petting the horses or petting the cows or, enjoying something being out in the country. Okay? People want to see that, especially us city people who don't. Well, I do have country here, but I have to travel a little further than the beach to get it. But people that like to see things on a farm or things out in the country are going to love and stop the scroll. You want people to stop the scroll. That is the whole purpose of taking pictures. And so we don't get a lot of opportunities right now, but guess what? Tomorrow I go see grandbaby. So guess what? People get new pictures of me with grandbaby. I'm going to try to take some photoshops. I now got a tripod. I got my little clicker for it. Let me see. I now have a tripod. I didn't have it when I went to